Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up amped SR10K-WB high power wireless and range extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the amped SR10K-WB high power wireless and range extender is a device that boosts and extends your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak or dead zones. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, take your amped SR10K-WB range extender and attach all antennas tightly. Plug the power adapter into the extender and then into a wall socket. Turn on the extender using the power switch, if available. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the power light becomes stable. During setup, keep the extender near your main Wi-Fi router. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone/laptop. Look for a network name like amped_SR or amped_wireless. Tap and connect to this network, no password required. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type http://setup.ampedwireless.com and press enter. If this does not open, try the backup address, http://192.168.1.240. After a few seconds, the amped wireless setup wizard page will appear. Click on Start Setup or scan for networks. The extender will scan and show a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. From the list, select your main router's Wi-Fi name, SSID. Click Next. Now enter your main Wi-Fi password carefully. Make sure no spelling mistakes, correct uppercase/lowercase letters. Click Next/Apply. Now you can choose how the extended Wi-Fi name will appear. You have two options. Option 1 is same network name, recommended. The extender will copy your router's Wi-Fi name and password. Your phone will automatically switch between router and extender. And the option 2 is new network name. Example, home Wi-Fi _ext. Create a new password or keep the same one. After selecting, click Save/Apply. The extender will now save settings and reboot. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not unplug the extender or close the browser. When done, the extender lights will become stable again. Now place the extender halfway between your router and the weak signal area, where it still receives a strong signal from the router. Done. Setup is successfully complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.